Hi everyone, and thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be trying these two Isabella Garcia masks. As far as I understand, a lot of people receive these in the mail because an insurance company sends them out. So I have them, I got them from a friend, and I thought, why don't I just try them out and then tell you if they do anything or not. So I'm going to be using the Revitalizing mask for combination dry or dehydrated skin types, and I'm definitely a dry skin type of girl, and the Spot Intense mask for all skin types. So these are the small versions apparently, and I'm going to try them out. So I'm just going to first get my hair out of the way, and I'm going to wipe off my face. I don't have any makeup on other than mascara. That's all I'm wearing today. So I'm just going to use a wet cloth and wipe off any oil or whatever I have on my skin from the day so far. Now that my face is all clean, I'm first going to go in with a Spot Intense mask. It says this calming mask contains aloe extract and clay that assists in the effective control of blemishes. Smooth a thin layer over a clean face and neck, avoiding the eye area, and then allow to dry for 10 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and follow with a toner or refining mist. So I'm going to apply this first in all my problem areas. I'm twisting off the cap and then it looks like a white type of thing. So I'm going to squeeze it out on my finger. It smells a lot like tea tree oil. I don't know if that's the word, but it smells really nice. So I'm going to take it and put it around my chin here, and I'm going to apply it on my T-zone. It feels a bit thinner than you would expect a clay mask to be, but once it's on your face it feels pretty normal. It's really quick drying because I'm still just putting it on and it's already starting to get a little tight around my mouth, so that is a good thing. Now the other one is Revitalizing mask. It says this mask consists of a rich cream base, aloe vera, and evening primrose oil. The combination of these ingredients with a unique blend of emollients moisturizes and helps to revitalize dehydrated skin. Apply this to a clean, dry face and neck area and leave to dry for 10 minutes, and then you just rinse it with lukewarm water again. So I'm going to take this one as well and apply it on the rest of my face. Now if you open this one, it's also white, it seems, and I'm just going to squeeze it out a little bit. Oh, okay, it comes out a lot more like a cream than a clay than the other one. It looks a little different. It smells like a normal cream. It's somewhat thicker actually if I touch it like that, but I am going to put it on. I'm probably going to need more than this, but let's see how it goes. It comes out all stringy and it feels really funny when you touch it because if you don't squeeze it, the strings kind of stay stringy. So that's an interesting thing. This is an example of where a little bit really doesn't go a long way. I had to squeeze out about half of the bottle to just get this bit on. So this around my T-zone and whatnot is already starting to dry a lot. It's been on probably for 2-3 minutes now, and I'm just going to wait the 10 minutes for everything to dry and then see how it goes. Wash my face and hopefully it's going to be nice and soft afterwards. It's harder to drink with a mask on than it looks because I don't want to move my face too much. I'm doing this now in between my classes, so it is loud outside, the buses are driving, the wind is howling for some weird reason. So it's everything except for the perfect quiet time to be doing a face mask. And who does a face mask between classes? But who else gets to say they treated themselves to a face mask before their math class? So I decided to do it now. It's been on for about 5 minutes and it's drying really fast. It's really seeping into my pores. Maybe that's just the way it's drying. This one is going more clear as it dries, but it's not drying nearly as fast as the other one. So hopefully it dries in 10 minutes so that I can wash this off. Okay, so it's been a good 10-12 minutes and this Spot Intense one is nice and hard and everything. The other one kind of seeped into my skin. It's still really wet, but not as much as it was when I first put it on. So I'm gonna go wash all this off and see what my face looks like. Going in with some toner now that I've washed it off. I have to say my skin feels a bit more sensitive than it was before, but I don't have any bad redness. It is nice and soft, so I'm pretty okay with it, and I'm just going to follow up with a Fresh Solution Day Moisturizer because I am going back out again after this. The moisturizer actually smells really nice. And anyways, my skin feels a little softer than it was before, which is nice. I feel nice and hydrated, which is probably going to last until the end of the day. But here where I applied the Spot Intense mask, I can feel my skin is a little bit more sensitive. It's luckily not red, thank goodness, because I'm on my way to a class right now. But I do feel it's a little bit more sensitive to the touch. So maybe don't try these masks if you have a sensitive skin. So I do feel a little bit more hydrated, but I wouldn't say there's too much of a difference. My blackheads aren't less or anything, so if that's what you're going for, I'm sorry it doesn't help with that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye bye!